So these are my 4 favorite ways to use a Furoshiki cloth. And I'm not sure if that's the way you say it. You can look at other videos. So we'll start off with this one. So I thought I wanted a new temple bag, and so I gave my old one to my daughter, and then I can't find a new temple bag. So for now, this is what I'm using. So I have the 4 corners, and it's usually better to put these things in a line at a diagonal. So there is a Furoshiki knot where you do left over right, and then you do left over right. And the cool thing about this knot is that you can do this. Okay, so I'll show that one more time. Left over right, and then left over right. And then I just come around here and do the same knot, but smaller, left over right, and then left over right. And then I have my temple bag. My next favorite thing I like to do is, this is my shopping bag. So when I go out shopping, especially at a market or something, it's fun. Easy peasy. You fold it in half backwards. You take each corner, measure it to the one corner. Again, take the other corner, measure it to the other corner. Just make a regular knot. You flip it inside out. And again, you do basic knot, left over right, left over right. And you have a little shopping bag that you can fold up and put in your purse. My next favorite is just gift wrapping. So we have my daughter's Christmas gift. Shh, don't tell her what it is. Just kidding. She's the one helping me record. She knows what it is. She's the one who picked it out. Again, you're just going to use the basic knot, left over right, left over right, and then make a pretty bow. You can hide that part. So cute, and it's reusable. My very favorite wrap and use for the Furoshiki is for when I travel. So I have 2 shoes here, and I've always tried to figure out how to pack my shoes without getting all my clothes dirty. And they've all been pretty sad attempts until I found a Furoshiki. So I like to stand my shoes up like this, and then I put them down. You fold one side over, and then you roll. If you want to be pretty, you can fold that piece in. Fold it in half, do a Furoshiki knot again. Left over right, left over right, ta-da! And the fun thing about this is that if you have 2 glass bottles that you're transporting somewhere, like the Martinellis, you can do the same thing, and they don't clink together. And if you want to give it as a gift, this is a cute gift to give. but this is my favorite thing to do when you travel. And again, here's a magic trick. And just slides right open. And that's it.